If you manage more than one Amazon account and you're still logging in from the same browser, same laptop, same IP, then you're playing with fire. Because on Amazon, it's not your password that gets you banned, it's your device. One link signal can trigger identity checks, payout holds, listing removals, and in worst cases, all accounts go down together. Now in this video, I'll show you how stores, sellers, agencies, and e-commerce teams safely run multiple Amazon accounts without getting them linked. You'll see the exact setup professionals use and how you can copy it in minutes. Plus, stay till the end because I've got a bonus discount code for you that makes this setup way cheaper to start with. Now, why does this matter for Amazon sellers? Well, Amazon isn't like social media. It's a financial platform. Every login affects your payouts, your inventory, your brand reputation, your account health score. So when Amazon sees multiple accounts coming from the same environment or from a suspicious location, it doesn't just warn you, it investigates your history, just like in a bank. Most sellers run multiple accounts because they manage different brands, client stores, wholesale or private label, regional marketplaces, testing accounts, even backup operations. The problem is simple. Amazon expects each account to look like a completely different business, device, and operator. But most people accidentally connect them behind the scenes, and suspicions can only feel random. Well, they're actually logical and technical. So let's break down how Amazon really sees you by understanding exactly what Amazon tracks. Every time you open Seller Central, Amazon doesn't just see your correct credentials or IP address. Amazon builds your whole technical identity using your browser setup, operating system, screen size and fonts, device hardware models, time zone, network behavior, even your typing patterns. Now, this identity is called your digital fingerprint. So even if you use different emails, different passwords, different legal entities, and even different IP addresses with VPNs, Amazon can still say these logins came from the same device. Now, once that happens, accounts stop being independent. One account's risk affects the others. That's why sellers suddenly face video verification calls, linked account investigations, payment holds, listing removals, full compliance reviews, and account bans. And most people never realize the calls. They think it's policy, but usually it's the account infrastructure. So perhaps it's time I show you the exact mistakes most sellers make when trying to manage multiple Amazon seller accounts. Now here's what sellers usually try. They open different Chrome profiles, they use VPNs, they buy another laptop, and they even try clearing out all the cookies. But here's the problem with each of these. Chrome profiles separate logins, not devices. VPNs hide your IP, not browser fingerprints. Extra laptops help until you need 5, 10, or even 20. So, what happens then? Well, Amazon still sees the same machine, the same environment, and the same behavior pattern. You hide one signal and expose 5 others. That's why scaling Amazon with basic tools always just hits a wall. Now, if you want multiple accounts to survive long term, they must look like completely different computers, not just different tabs. And that leads us to the professional approach. Now, let me show you how agencies do this. Instead of switching logins, professionals just isolate environments. And meaning, each Amazon account needs to live inside its own virtual device. It's like a safe container. This can be done using multiple methods, but the easiest and most professional of them is called Anti-Detect Browser. Anti-Detects eliminates real devices on a very deep level. It's basically like buying an unlimited number of laptops and IPs, but they're all in one dashboard. Now, each of these eliminated laptops has its own browser fingerprint, real IP address, cookies and history, behavior profile, and a dozen of other unique parameters. With anti-detects, you're no longer switching accounts, you're literally just switching computers. Think of it like having 25 laptops inside one single dashboard. Each one is trusted separately by Amazon, like it's a different person in the USA. Sounds good, right? Now, let me show you exactly how this setup works in real practice using Gologin. Now, to show this setup, I'm going to use Gologin, which is one of the best anti-detect browsers right now. Gologin has been on the market for, well, literally many years now, and a lot of Amazon sellers and dropshipping agencies use it to safely operate multiple Amazon accounts. So, step one, we need to install Gologin. So go ahead and sign up on Gologin's official website at gologin.com. Install the app and then log in. Step two, create a new profile. Now on Gologin's dashboard, create a new profile with the plus button on the top left. Now these profiles are what I was talking about. Each of them is fully independent devices. Gologin allows you to create any amount of them, depending on your paid plan. Everything inside these profiles is isolated from your real browser and from other profiles as well. Now, add a proxy IP by clicking the plus in the location column. Click plus and choose the country and click connect. Now the IP light is green, which means the IP is live and ready to roll. Now you can use any amount of IPs in Gologin. Here you only pay for the traffic you consume, and you can see the traffic balance in the top right of the screen. Now, if you have your own proxies, you can use them as well. But one important rule you need to remember, each profile needs its own IP address. Never mix them up. One account equals one IP address. And voila, your setup is done. Seriously. Nothing else needs to be adjusted here. Gologin sets up the best safety settings automatically for each profile. Fingerprints, OS, hardware, everything is automatic and safe. And as I said, it's quite easy and straightforward. So you're now ready to use your accounts or create new ones. Now, step 3, run profile and log into Amazon. Go ahead and click run to launch the profile and log into Amazon. Now, inside this new browser window, you can work like in a regular browser. Your logins will be saved, you won't need to enter credentials the next time either. And when you've finished your work, simply close the window. You can use the same profile for other social platforms and websites. Now, as I said, think of it as a separate person and laptop. Step 4, repeat for more accounts. Now, time to scale it. Create a new profile and IP per each Amazon account. Now you can operate many Amazon accounts at once without restrictions. You can even be launched simultaneously. It's completely safe. Step 5, share access securely. Now, the best part, you can share this profile or the whole workspace with remote teams or virtual assistants from pretty much anywhere. A lot of freelancers and agencies already know about Gologin, so you'll not have to explain how this whole process works to them. Simply share the profile instead of credentials. That's as easy as it gets. Now your partner can run this same profile from another country and Amazon won't even notice. This is the most professional way to cooperate on multiple Amazon accounts. Now, here's how this actually helps Amazon sellers day to day. With the anti-detect browser, you can run different brands safely, give controlled access to your team, manage client accounts without 2FAs, test new products without touching main stores, and operate regional marketplaces independently, while even traveling around with stable access to your seller account. So instead of saying to people, don't touch this account from your laptop, you can now say, open this profile. Instead of messing with VPNs while traveling, you use your profile with the same device and the same IP. Instead of buying a new laptop or PC, you just click to create a new profile. That's professional account management. Less risk, better organization, and scaling is finally possible. Now, this is exactly how large e-commerce teams stay compliant while running multiple Amazon seller accounts from one place. And here's the bonus. If you use the Gologin promo code that's in the description, you'll be able to get 50% off your first purchase. And you don't even need to buy immediately. Gologin offers a 7-day free trial when you first sign up so that you can test this setup before you even think about buying. So again, I'm going to leave the code to that down below in the description. And if this video did help, hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce and social platform workflows. And share it with someone who might be running multiple Amazon accounts right now. More platform guides are coming next, and you can go ahead and request yours in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.